Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Diamond Blossom, which is located in Hoskur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Diamond Developers. And today we are here to do the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external, both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So basically we are here on the main entrance of the project and this is the land parcel of the project. So you can have a look at the land parcel, and just behind me is the marketing office of the project. And the land parcel, once again, here's the land parcel where you can even check out the model flat is about to get ready. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with developers. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 1.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 30 boutique villas. All the villas will be 4 BHK villas with European theme-based architecture of ground plus 2 stories. Now about the location part, and the project is located off Sarjapur Road on Dhammasandra Hoskur Road in Hoskur, South Bangalore. So let me show you that basically this is the Dhammasandra Hoskur Road. So this road just behind me will take you towards Dhammasandra and the opposite side road will connect you towards Gattahalli. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Sri Chaitanya School in 2.3 kilometers. Wipro Kodatti Tech Park is just 3.5 kilometers away. Hosa Road Metro line is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now coming to the internal amenities, so all the villas will be having 2-car parking facilities with home automation system, vitrified floorings, anti-skid wooden finishing flooring in the master bedroom and many more amenities. Now about the external amenities, and the project is coming up with world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, half basketball court, mini amphitheater, kids play area and many more amenities. Now about the parking provision, so they are providing the villas with 2-car parking facilities and those are private. Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the master plan of Diamond Blossom. As you can see in the image, there are total 30 villas coming up in the project with luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK villa of 2400 square feet super built up area. Now about the construction status of the project, and let me show you that the development of the project is being completed and construction is on foundation level. And now about the position of the project. So we are handling the project in the 9 months of the purchasing, that is in 9 months of agreement. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of Diamond Blossoms, which is located in Hoskur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Diamond Developers.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.